my birthday today. Excited to have you with me. Enjoy the birthday vlog. We just got out of the water and it was such a fun birthday session. How about those waves though?
Solid waves.
Solid waves.
Solid.
Did you hear that?
The best surf ever.
So good, so good. We caught a party wave together, all 4 of us at the same time. Now we're getting coffee. Guys, I'm bouncing off walls right now. I got decaf. They might have given me actual caffeine. I'm not gonna sleep tonight.
Hi guys, it's my sister's birthday. She's old. We're gonna open the gift that I got her. It's pretty small, but I hope she likes it.
Hey, it's happening. I think I know what it is. Look, a CD case.
Turn it around.
That's me. Yes, it's me. A naked person. Are you ready?
Yes!
We're out here. We just got to the camp spot and this is where we're gonna stay for the night. Really excited. Good for your age. Good morning. It's a new day. We got kicked out of our spot last night, but we found a new one. We all had a little slumber party in Emma's car. And now we are going to go shark diving. We're testing the playground out really fast. We just got the car cleaned up and we're gonna head over to the dock now. Oh, you're golden.
Golden hour.
Are you excited to go swim with sharks?
I think once I see them, I'm gonna be really nervous, but then I think I'll be okay.
Like once you realize that they're not trying to kill you?
Yeah.
just finished shark diving.
It was awesome. It was really cool. Going again.
And I don't think I'm gonna go to sleep tonight because I'm gonna be reliving all of that, even though we got no sleep last night.
My ice ball.
It's a dirty ball.
My sandy ball.
What an amazing weekend celebrating a quarter century roaming this earth. I think it set the tone for another year continuing to live life to the absolute fullest. I'm eternally grateful for every second on this planet, all the lessons learned, the memories shared, and of course, all the souls that have been part of my journey in a little or big way. Cheers to many more present moments existing in the here and now. And happy early birthday! Or happy belated birthday to you! I'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching!